Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will explain to you how to apply for a Ikea Roblox job. So basically you will be able to play Roblox and actually get paid like you would in a real job at Ikea. So if you want to do that, if you want to apply for this job, stick with me, I'll explain how to do that. So first of all, of course, you will need this official website. I will leave a link to this website so that you can easily go to this link and see all the information for yourself. Just look for the link in the video description. So as you can see, get paid to work at Ikea on Roblox. So just like I said, you're going to be playing the game and actually making money, and your wage is going to be actually the same wage that they pay in a real physical local stores. So just like they pay for this job in real life in the real store, so it's going to be £13.15 or £14.80 hourly rate, limited contract. So you're going to be just playing the game and making money. So as you can see, applications are open. Just keep in mind that applications will close on Sunday at 16th of June, so you do not have a lot of time left, so you need to hurry up and start submitting your applications for this work. And basically we have photos and a short explanation of what your responsibilities will be. Let me just read that quickly for you. So 10 lucky candidates will be selected, so that basically means that they only hire 10 people for this job to work in different sections of the store, like the showroom and bistro, helping people choose their furniture, serving meatballs, having the chance to win exclusive UGC, and much more. So this is the basic responsibilities you will have for this job. Now what they offer, this is not a typical IKEA job. Of course it's not a typical job because you're going to be working remotely. As you can see, fully remote and flexible job. So you're going to be just working for this position from home remotely at your computer or a laptop, and you can make money. So this is the newest store. As you can see, it says candidates will be recruited to work inside our newest store located on the gaming platform Roblox. So just going to be playing the game and making money. Sounds amazing, to be honest. Getting a taste of what careers like in real life IKEA. So now recruitment process. So there's a form below that I will get into. After filling in and submitting this form, they will get in touch with you, and if you're a perfect fit for this position, they will of course hire you and give you the job. Just don't forget, applications close on 16th of June. Now in order to apply for this job, just click on this button or just scroll down. Just keep in mind that this is only available at UK or Ireland. You of course must be 18 years of age and above. So if you want to fake your age, that's not going to work, because you will actually have to submit your real CV that is used for any person that applies for the job. So that's not going to be a possibility. This is the official job. You apply for the official job. This is not some third-party job on a side. This is real IKEA stuff. Also, from the important things, existing IKEA co-workers are not eligible to apply. So if you already work in one of the real local real life IKEA stores, you will not be able to get this job. This promotion is not affiliated with Roblox, so this has literally nothing to do with Roblox. It's something that they have just set up in place that they want to do. I'm guessing this is some kind of an experiment or something. I'm not really sure, but I mean, they're paying some good money, so why not, right? So first of all, you will be asked these questions. How do you feel about being turned into pixels? Just these basic questions that you will need to answer. Maybe you want to implement some kind of creativity into answering these questions. And of course, first name, last name, email, phone. Also, do not forget, this is only UK and Ireland job, so you're going to have to use your real local Great Britain phone. So date of birth, how did you hear about us? I don't know, you can choose online or something. You can also choose or not choose to input these optional fields as well. You can fill them in. Your TikTok ID or link, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, you can also write them down here. Maybe that might help them to see what kind of person you are, and that might affect if you will be hired or not. I'm not really sure, but you can type them in as well. And then of course just click I have read and agree to the policy, and then submit the application and wait for them to contact you for this job. And if you are successfully hired, if you pass their requirements, if they like you, they will contact you. You will be able to work for this very unique job. So there you have it, guys. Good luck with applying. Have a nice day, everyone. Hopefully this video helps. If it did, press the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the future videos. Thanks for watching.